Hello, everybody. Welcome to Educational Entrepreneurship, Innovation in Higher Education, How Portfolios Could Disrupt the System. Karen and I selected the actual innovation of portfolios in higher education being used to demonstrate student learning outcomes. So what we decided to do was design an actual portfolio for you to learn about portfolios. We have used the free Google Sites product. It is part of the free system that goes along with a Google Six suite if you happen to be a subscriber. My college is, but we discovered that NEU is not. I'd like to take a few minutes to sort of show you how to go through this. When we discovered some trials and through trials and tribulations, we discovered some challenges associated with this system where everything has to be in a Google Doc, everything has to be uploaded, and it takes a little bit of time to load the pages. So Google Sites is designed primarily for educators to do both website design and portfolios. Through our research, we discovered that this was one of the least expensive and easily transferable and probably most vibrant ways in which we can track and maintain portfolios. So I just want to give you a little tidbit of information so that you can see how to go through this and use our portfolio. So you'll note that we've put our course name here. Across the top are a series of pages, tabs that will open new pages. So you'll see that any tab that has a chevron here, or arrow you may call it, this actually opens up and will have another sub-page. So we first start talking about innovation in higher education and some of the challenges that go along with that. From that standpoint, then, you can go deeper and you can learn about the background of the innovation that we're going to share with you. So how that came about, we talked about the history, then went down through the line in what we thought was the most logical way to do this. We come all the way down here to a sample, and we have a special surprise for you underneath this tab, so we hope that you take some time to look and review that. If you also note, this actual chevron here are our two final perspectives on what we thought was innovative about this process. So we are excited for you to take a look at it and to hear your feedback and learn more about some of you who may be actually using portfolios in your programs or at your schools. So thank you for your time. Have a great day.